Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about a beautiful flowering plant called Sweet William Catchfly or garden catchfly. These are beautiful flowering plants that are native to Europe. They are known as catchfly flowers. There are many varieties available of these plants. The catchfly plants have beautiful flowers and the color is also stunning. They come in shades of deep to light pink, and when these tiny flowers bloom in bunch, they look really amazing. This is not a very popular plant, but it really caught my attention because how beautiful they are. I came to the mountains for vacation and I found these plants. So these grow in temperate climates where the weather is not extreme, the summer is mild and it's cold in winters. They cannot tolerate too much heat or frost. These plants grow best as annuals during summer in colder climates and winter in hot climates. These plants are short in height and they are very easy to grow. They easily grow from seed and will do very well even if you neglect them. One of the best things about the plant is that they attract a lot of wildlife. They are like magnets for pollinators. The bees and butterflies love them and are constantly hovering over them. As for light, you can grow them in full sun to partial shade. 6 hours of morning sun is best for them. They will flower best when there is enough light, but they will not perform well in too much shade. They are very easy to grow from seed and they self-seed quite easily. These plants can grow between 1 to 2 feet tall, which makes them compact and manageable anywhere. They also have beautiful foliage. The leaves have a silvery green shade. The plants do very well even in poor conditions. The soil for them should be moderately fertile and well draining. Add some organic matter in the soil to make it loose and improve the drainage. They are drought-tolerant plants when they are established. During growth, they will need proper moisture, so water them well, but always make sure to never overwater. That can cause fungus and root rot problems. The plants really look good in the gardens and you can mix them with other flowering plants. If you are doing a wildlife-friendly garden, then this is definitely one of the best plants you can plant. I loved these, so grow them if you can and stay tuned for more videos. Do like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!